Right, Gareth, do you think we'll have a go sticking your pagoda up now, or what?
Let's have a go.
Oh,
Let's start anyway.
Go on.
Not fun to the side to this is, but
You want to centralise it?
that's pretty central.
It is.
Let me get my tape measure. Just make sure. Bloody spot on that.
Gareth, try that first layer for level, will you? Yeah.
Well, the bottom one was spot on.
Right, well, this should be spot on then if it's all set up.
Just slightly over.
Which way?
I think it.
Is this bottom of the spirit level clear? Give it a little rub. That's it.
It's fine.
Ah, good.
Honestly.
Right, come on then. Next block. Go on.
This might be hard to centralise.
Is it wobbly? Mm.
Needs to go slightly that way.
Right, yeah. But I think you're wobbling on the bottom, aren't you?
No.
No. How about a little bit of that that plasticky stuff that you put underneath? Yes, no?
I do have some.
You know, he only wants 4 blobs of that.
Well, the bottom is rocking just slightly.
Yeah.
I think I stuck a bit of slate under it, to be quite honest.
I thought it went narrower as it got.
It does do.
You know,
Does do. We're not up to that bit
that's
yet.
bigger than the bottom.
We're not. We're not ready yet for that.
Rotate it in any way.
Go on, try that. Try it for wobbling now. Perhaps a little bit more, Gareth. I think when you get the others on, that wobble will stop then.
Yeah. This will not come off easily.
Well, we're hoping it's not going to come off easily. Ever. Right. Great. Right, get your stone again. Right. Try and centralise it before we drop it down. That's not so bad.
Feels like it's floating.
Gareth, that looks great.
Is it? No. And level. Does it look right?
Yeah, it looked great, but try your level on it. Diagonal corners.
Can't do diagonal corners.
Why not?
It's level that way. And it's absolutely bang on level that way.
Brilliant. Well, that's what you want, innit?
Hi. That's 20.5.
I think you picked the biggest one there, Gareth.
Yeah. That's about 19.
Go on, put that one on and let's see what happens.
That's about 20.
Oh, not rickety.
No, but that's still
Oh, that's fine. That'll
slightly
squash it
float-
out.
Slightly floaty.
Lovely.
I don't know. That's 52. Oh shit. And that's 52.5.
Oh,
there
there's
must be-
nothing
must
in
be-
there.
Yeah, so I think that's the front.
Yeah.
Well, that's the front.
Yeah, you don't want to. No, go on. You have to do it yourself.
Shit, is that the front?
I wouldn't worry about that at this moment. I'd just try and get it flat.
I think the other way is the front. Where's the
Wow.
tape measure?
Hang on.
52.5. Both the same.
All right. It looks great.
Just needs shuffling over a bit. 52. Not much in it.
Look through the middle square, Gareth, and
Yeah.
see how it lines up with all the other squares. Oh, you can't see very much now.
No. It's because it is very well lined up.
Right, it's brilliant. Let me just move back a bit.
120.5. 20.5.
Nah, aye, it's one of those.
I'm going to check the level because it looks like it's leaning back. Slightly leaning.
Well, try.
I don't know where it's slightly leaning. There is a little bit of a rock.
Yeah.
Needs to just go slightly forward like that.
Just
So
turn
I
his
think probably if I put a bit of slate under this back here, that'll stop
at the,
any
at the
wobble.
bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Just turn your spirit level. That's it.
Oh shit.
Well, you're never going to get it perfect. You know
No.
that's great. Yeah, that looks great. Just look down at the sides.
Much wobble.
You are?
There's not much wobble.
Good.
Let's have a look at it from the front. That's fine. Looks great.
Does, doesn't it?
Now this was the one, I got these two mixed up the last time.
Right.
This one I had higher up I think, but this one is bigger than that.
Right. Oh.
It was heavy.
Right.
next couple who are going to be killers.
I tell you what, where I'm sitting, that's the truth probably took a little bit. And it's just, you can just see the shit.
I had to go out and buy a shirt on Friday for this wedding. So bad.
What wedding?
Stacey and Alex.
You don't think you've got a shirt at our house? A nice white shirt.
Oh yes, you are.
Oh, Alex. Probably won't fit. All day in bed, like I was when I was on those tablets.
Oh.
Okay, good to go. I think that's shuffling over slightly. So,
Let it settle, Gareth.
right, done. We're good to go.
I don't believe it, as Victor Meldrew once said. I bumped into him once, you know.
I know.
Very good. Well done.
Hallelujah.
You not say a little buddy's prayer now?
Nam myoho renge kyo.